Hello guys, Arnold Aragon here. Welcome back to the channel. I'm waiting for something today, and honestly, it's been something I ordered last week, and it's supposed to come today, and like hopefully by 10:30. So I'm waiting for something, and something that I do want to show on the channel that I kind of been investing in, and I ended up getting it at a really good price. So I'm waiting for UPS to get here so I could bring it upstairs, set it up, and show it to you guys. Right now, hopefully, I don't have to deal with the pain because I think they're gonna do construction or something with the water. So, that's like a hassle and stuff. So hopefully that doesn't happen. I don't want to be down here and then just hearing a whole bunch of nonsense. But yeah, you still have to wear a mask either way, but you gotta leave it like this. But since for the sake of the video, I'm doing this right now. So yeah, I'll be here. Okay, so I got my package. It took a while, but I ended up getting it. But hold up, 1 second. Is this better? Yeah, how to shave. I've been holding on for a while. I was like, you know what? I'm doing a video. Might as well shave and look presentable. But anyway, I got my package, which is a good thing. Took like 2 hours from where I was waiting outside for me to get it. But I got it, and it's a LG 27-inch monitor, 4K, with a USB-C, which is the reason why I ended up investing in a monitor. Only because I already have a monitor, which is this 27-inch Dell, and basically for this one, it's from 2015, so it doesn't have the USB-C that I want because I want to connect it to my MacBook, and then when I run Final Cut, I want to edit on a big screen. Because yes, I've edited from the MacBook, but you get kind of like, I don't know, it gets crampy, and I'm used to either editing here or just big screens overall. But so I'm gonna open this. I will show you step by step a little bit. I won't show you like the whole thing because I'm not planning on doing a big video. But once it's already set up here and everything, I will show it off and set this. Okay, I ended up switching to my DJI Osmo Pocket. Okay, so this is the monitor that came inside. I already took out the styrofoam that had the base, the little tiny base. So the base, the little tiny one, and then the power brick. It came with this. This is the old Dell monitor that I'll either be selling or I don't know what I'll do with it for now. So yeah, so I'm just gonna set up the base so I could just hook it up here and then set it up because I don't want to take it out if it's not ready, because I just don't want to put it on the bed or anything like that. So yeah, so if anything, just give me a while. All right, cool. So I took everything out, took it out the base, put the base here. This is the new monitor now. The old one is right here. This is the new one. It's still 27 inches. I wanted to go for 32, but as you can see, I don't think I have the real estate to do 32 inches. Double monitor I wanted to do, but I'm like, for now I'll just take one. Maybe later on I do upgrade, and who knows. But 27's fine. It's still the same size and everything. Now let me grab the USB-C cable, which is obviously the reason for me getting this monitor. USB-C to my MacBook. So we could do that. Hopefully this works. Because honestly, I just plugged it in and have the power on. If I could definitely do what I need to do, I should be fine. Let's see. Well, that boots up. That was fast. I need to put in my password. I should have done this probably before camera. Honestly, I should have done this before. But yeah, hopefully it does work. If anything, I'll just edit this part out of me struggling. I already did some B-roll as well, so hopefully that works out for me. Wow. Okay, cool. So my Mac booted up, and I paired it up with my Logitech MX Master 2. Reason why I did that is because I could definitely use it with my desktop, my MacBook, and I still have another device I could pair it with, because it allows you to pair it with 3 devices. So, you know, that's a plus. I don't like the 3 much, just the way it looks. I think the 2 is fine. I think the 2 you could probably catch it on sale sometimes, especially now that Father's Day is like next week or this Sunday. Yeah. So anyway, if this works, I'll be so proud. Where are you? Okay, cool. HomePod's in the way. Okay. Does it work? Is it even on? Haha. It says click OK. Okay, where's the OK? Oh, I'm guessing this one. Okay, something happened. Okay. It did. It worked. Yes! That's what I wanted. Oh, this is awesome. This is make sure. Oh, and I want to do this. Bang. Close it out. Bang. Okay, it says make sure do not display this message again. How do you do okay? Oh, close. Oh, close it. And it's charging. This is awesome. This is what I wanted. It's charging my MacBook because I think the monitor inputs 60 watts of power. So that's obviously more than enough. Obviously a bigger monitor. I think the ultra wide does 32. Don't quote me. But this is perfect. I could definitely open anything up. Oh, that's so awesome. It's so crisp. Close that out. These are my files. Dude, look at this. Bringing my tripod. Put you on. Whoops. Look how crispy that looks, bro. So basically, it's already connected USB-C to USB-C, which is the only input I actually really needed. But I also have a computer right next to it. So what it is that now I'll be using just 2 cables. Obviously, I still have a couple stuff in there that I do want to use. So yeah, so I'll just end up keeping that. But this right here, I'll be using it way more now since I'm able to just put it on my monitor and then just use it and edit like crazy. So yeah, so you know, I don't edit in 4K, I edit in standard. So that will be 100 times better. It is 4K, so I can't wait to try out video quality, image quality, all that extra stuff. So yeah, so I already put in the HDMI. I already tried it out because I didn't want to put that in video. I just wanted to test it out real quick. But yeah, it works completely fine. You know, I had to unplug the HDMI though, when I wanted to plug this in because it was reading 2 things at the same time. But yeah, but either way, I already turned it off. It works fine. Like I said, my mouse. What? I'm going crazy. My mouse works with my desktop and my MacBook, so that works fantastic. You know, you would just switch it out. So you do have the options 1, 2. My MacBook is number 2, and then 3 is empty. So basically, I could just end up doing that the whole time. Now, since I already have this, I just want to get like a little stand maybe and just have it here. So whenever I have my MacBook, I don't have it here. I just have it probably like behind a computer or something. So yeah, I enjoy it. That's pretty awesome. I really like the setup, the layout, and everything. It looks fantastic. I just gotta fix it up a little bit. Rearrange the cables at the bottom just to make sure everything, you know, is back to the way it's supposed to be. So yeah, I just want to do like a quick run around the monitor just so you guys can see it in the layout. But I also want to show you the ports in the back. and that's why I popped out the DJI Osmo Pocket. So let me flip that over. Okay, hi, that's me. But yeah, so if you see the ports here, if I could find them, perfect, yeah. So if you see that it has right there, yeah, one USB-C, which is that white cable. It has two HDMI ports, which are those, obviously the power, and I think the other two, if I'm not mistaken, are display ports. Let me look at those. Let me squeeze in here. Oh, I can't see. If anything, I'll just put like a little couple text there so you can see what it is, but I can't really see well. I mean, I didn't pull out the manual because I know how to set it up myself. But yeah, it's cool. I like it. And I like the whole white background thing too, because it matches with my desk. So I think that's, I don't know, I think that it just hits the spot. I'll put the link to the monitor in the description below, just in case you do want to get it yourself. But yeah, it's nice getting yourself something especially this nice. Like I said, I'm happy that I didn't get the ultra wide, because even deep down I wanted that 32-inch ultra wide 4K, but that's a whole leg and a whole arm, so I'm like, nah. If anything, in the near future, a couple years from now, if you know, when something better comes out, I'll be switching to that. But for now, 27-inch I think is the sweet spot for me, especially. I don't know if I told you guys earlier. Oh god. It does charge your computer as well, because the monitor itself outputs 60 watts of power, which is enough for your MacBook. But obviously the ultra wide ones, they end up doing around I think it's 90. Don't quote me. I'll put it here. I'll put it right here. Yeah. So normally, yeah. So the other one will be around 90 for ultra wide, and that could definitely power it up completely. But yeah, this is just perfect. So I need to fix everything, especially the cables at the bottom. So you see how it's all messy right now. But I had a couple hinges there that I want to tie everything back up, just the way I had it, because I think for me it keeps my sanity, but it keeps everything else organized. And I bought that little box too from Amazon, and that basically is where I have everything that, you know, I need and all that extra stuff. But yeah, I'm proud of it. This big boy, I don't know what I'm gonna do with it. I tried to find out if I could daisy chain this one to the new one, which basically means that I could do double monitor or whatever. But for now, since this is an old monitor, I can't do that, which is sad. Because if anything, I would have bought something cheaper from this, and that's good. I could have bought extra ports and all that extra stuff, but that was a hassle. I'd rather just get a new one. Plus, I needed an update anyway, so kept it like that. So yeah, my room's a mess. I don't know what to do. So I will clean this. This is the end of the video. Thank you guys very much. Also, I do have a podcast. It's called the Lion Paw Podcast. I didn't put out an episode 2 weeks ago because obviously with the whole movement around the United States, around the world, thank you for those that are actually supporting that movement. I will put some links down below for donation or anything like that. But yeah, so yeah, I have a podcast as well. It's called the Lion Paw Podcast. I didn't put an episode the last 2 weeks just because with the whole situation that's going on and all that extra stuff. I felt like it was, a little bit selfish if I put anything out right now and not worry about what's going on, because we do need to worry about what's going on around the world and also here most likely in the States. But yeah, I end up doing that. I'll hopefully be doing an episode this Friday. Not hopefully, I will be doing an episode this Friday that will come out this Friday. So I'll do it before Friday, so it could come out on time on Friday. Yeah, I know. My mind's racing. I honestly don't know what to do anymore. I'm just excited. So yeah, I'll try this bad boy out in a bit. But first, I'm gonna clean my room, make sure everything's fine, and then yeah, that's it. So thank you guys for coming to see the video. Just hit the subscribe button. Hit it, like the video. If you guys have any questions, you can reach me on my social medias, which are also linked down below. Thank you for those that are supporting. I really do appreciate you guys very much. Yeah, just thank you. I'm very, very grateful.